So TYMO reached out to me and wanted me to try this heated brush. I love that this has like the little Velcro thing, the little Velcro to tie your cord back up. I know that doesn't mean much to most, but it means a lot to me because like when I'm trying to put my stuff, like my hot tools away, and you just have nothing to do with the cord but like wrap the cord around the tool itself and then it gets all wound up. I don't know, I really it doesn't take much to make me happy. Clearly it does have the 360 swivel, so it doesn't get like, you know, tangled up in itself while you're using it. It does come with the thermal glove, and it has like the little rubber side on both sides, and then it has like a tangle teaser. I don't really know what to call these brushes, but I think it's really, really cute. I'll probably end up using this a lot in my daughter's hair. And then it comes with the 2 clips. It does have the power button here, and then the up and down settings here. The only thing I would say is I would really like to know the actual temperature, like instead of just the buttons that light up. Let me plug this in so we can see this thing. So the top button flashes when it's plugged in, and then these little guys start to flash as it gets hot. I'm going to start in the back. You guys, my hair feels so good since I did the like my normal like products twice back to back. Like my hair is super back to normal. I love it. I am actually low-key nervous to use this, guys. I am going to spray my hair with some heat protectant. Okay, so it does have in the manual how you should set it based on your hair. So for soft and thin hair, you should have it on 266, which is the lowest setting. For fine, thin, bleached hair, you can have it up to 302. For dyed or dark colored hair, you can have it to 338. For normal to slightly curly hair, you can have it to 374. And for thick, curly, wavy hair, you should have it on 410. So the auto temperature is on 338. Currently, because I am relaxed, I'm going to set it to 302, and that says it's for fine, thin, bleached hair. And kind of use this brush, work it through. It's a nice brush. I like the brush. You can smell it heating up, but I am going to take a chunk. I'm scared. I'm excited, I'm nervous and excited at the same time. So let's see. That's okay. That's okay. Wasn't too much heat. I went through it really fast, one pass, but keep in mind this is on blown dry hair. You can't get as close to your roots as you like, but I think it gave like a nice little press. That's not like overwhelmingly bone straight. It didn't dry my hair out. It's nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair. I'm not gonna lie, I really thought I was gonna end up with some type of damage, but I like it. And I am taking big chunks of hair on purpose. I don't want to go through my hair, you know, doing fine pieces, because I don't want my hair super straight. Oh, that's cute, girl. Oh, I like that. That's real cute. With the temperature being set to 302, I really don't feel the need to use the glove, but it is nice to have just in case I do up the temperature in the future. I don't really see me upping the temperature because this is done so well. I really like it. I really like it, you guys. Look. Like without any heat damage. Like, cute. Okay guys, so this is it. These are my results. I am pleasantly surprised. I really enjoyed using this. My hair is super soft. I did start this process on freshly shampooed, deep conditioned, and blown dry hair. If you haven't seen my blow dry video, definitely make sure your notifications are on because it should be out this Wednesday. If not this Wednesday, very soon. So what I like about this is it has a little bit of weight to it. It's not flimsy. I like the swivel on it. I don't like that the buttons are right here where my fingers are at because I had to make sure I didn't press anything to change the heat setting or to turn the heat tool off. Outside of that, it did make my hair feel extra silky and soft, and I didn't have any damage. I do know that they are running a Black Friday sale. By the time you guys see this, it will be on Sunday after Black Friday, but that's okay. They are still running a sale. All of their information will be in the description box down below. If you do not know how to properly use a flat iron, but you know how to brush your hair, this is a great option. I'm actually so glad that I tried this tool. I was very nervous to do it, but I'm glad I went ahead and did it. I will be using this in the future. Definitely comment down below if you have used this. What was your experience with it? And until the next time, be live.